Today we'll be making peaches and cream. Super, super simple. Follow me. I have 1 cup of cashews that have been soaked overnight. You can soak them for an hour. Overnight just makes them makes your food processor happier. We'll say that. So into the food processor, those soaked cashews. Two tablespoons of powdered, this is Vietnamese cinnamon. You can use any type of cinnamon that you have in your pantry. If you want to shave your own cinnamon, you can do that as well. This is cashew milk. This is 1/2 cup of cashew milk that will follow the cashews and the cinnamon. To that, I'm going to add, for sweetness, 2 tablespoons of agave. Light amber, dark amber, light agave, doesn't really matter. It's not going to affect the color or the flavor. So we're going to dump that in. Now, before I get that a blitz, this is 2 peaches that the pit has been removed and they've just been sliced. Nothing else has been done to them. So we're just going to leave these as is. To the food processor. Pulse. Beautiful. So this has been going for about 4 minutes. You just want to look for a smooth consistency in this. Again, we're making a plant-based cream, so it's not going to be the typical velvety smooth that you may or may not be accustomed to. So this is a totally separate and different recipe for a cream. Now, when I told you about the agaves not changing the color, we're using cinnamon. Cinnamon is brown. It is going to change this cream to a light brown or tan color. That does not stop it from being beautiful or flavorful. This is not a white cream sauce or a white cream, which is typically served or traditionally served with peaches and cream. So when I come back, I'll show you guys how to plate this. So this smells absolutely amazing. The viscosity, the setting up, again, not like a traditional cream that's going to give you height. This is more like a porridge, not in taste, just in texture. The taste reminds me of a cinnamon toasted cereal. I'll leave it at that. But this is absolutely amazing. So we've got our cream and our sliced peaches. Again, you can use plums, nectarines, pears, but this cinnamon cream with some fresh peaches is absolutely divine. Cool, refreshing for summer, maybe again, breakfast or dessert. You can share this. You can pack it separately, bring it to the park, on a date. You can just eat this for yourself if you like. And just lastly, a little mint garnish because it's summer and it's hot. So here we have it, guys, peaches and cream. So if you like this recipe and like to see others, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click the little bell icon in the corner. Make sure you follow us at www.dherbs.com/chef Eat well.